Most drivers sometimes unknowingly adopt driving habits that can severely damage their engine and lead to costly repairs. In this video, we will reveal 5 common mistakes that ruin your engine, mistakes even experienced drivers often make. Stay with us until the end because every tip could save you thousands of euros while extending the life of your car. Let's start with a very common mistake: neglecting regular maintenance. How often have you postponed an oil change or ignored a clogged filter? Many people think these small oversights have no immediate consequences, but they damage your engine in the long run. Engine oil, for instance, is essential for lubricating internal parts and reducing friction. When you let it degrade, it loses its effectiveness, which can lead to premature wear and even breakdowns. Filters prevent impurities from reaching the engine, and when they're clogged, they increase pressure on the system. Make sure to strictly follow the maintenance schedule prescribed by the manufacturer, because neglecting maintenance can turn a simple checkup into a mechanical disaster. Another frequent mistake is aggressive driving. Do you like stepping on the gas to feel your engine's power or braking hard at every red light? These behaviors put immense strain on your engine and its components. Sudden accelerations force the engine to work intensely in a short amount of time, increasing wear and tear. Hard braking, on the other hand, not only harms your brakes and tires but also your transmission. Smooth driving, where you anticipate decelerations and accelerations, is not only beneficial for your engine, but also reduces fuel consumption and improves your safety. Another popular but equally harmful myth is the idea that you should let the engine idle to warm it up, especially in cold weather. Many drivers believe this protects the engine, but in reality, it promotes the buildup of carbon deposits. These residues clog cylinders and reduce engine efficiency. Even worse, it increases pollutant emissions and can lead to costly repairs in the long run. The best practice is to start your car and drive gently for the first few minutes, allowing the engine to warm up gradually and naturally. A costly behavior for many drivers is ignoring dashboard warning lights. These lights are not there to decorate your car. They're your first warning that a problem is brewing. For example, the oil warning light may indicate low oil levels or a leak. If you keep driving without addressing it, you risk engine seizure, a major failure that could leave your car immobilized for weeks. Always take these signals seriously and have your vehicle checked as soon as a warning light appears. Acting quickly can save you unnecessary expenses and extend the life of your engine. Finally, using poor quality fuel is an often underestimated mistake. Choosing the cheapest fuel or a type of fuel not suitable for your vehicle can clog injectors and affect the combustion system. The result? Your engine loses performance, consumes more fuel, and eventually develops costly breakdowns. To protect your engine, always follow the manufacturer's recommendations regarding the type of fuel to use. This simple step can make all the difference for a clean and efficient engine. By adopting these good practices, you can not only avoid costly repairs, but also ensure better performance and greater engine durability. Remember, your car is a valuable investment, and taking care of it today will save you a lot of trouble tomorrow. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the GB Automobile 237 channel, and share it with your loved ones.